Can I put 4 ring spacers on a Chevy? Yes, you can put 4 ring spacers on a Chevy car, as long as the bolt pattern, center bolt, and ferrite size are the same. For example, you can put 4 Ranger wheels on a Chevy Colorado because they have the same 6x139.7mm bolt pattern. But Ranger used a 93.1mm hub bolt, while Colorado used 78.1mm. Thus, if you would like to keep the wheels stable, it is necessary to use 78.1 to 93.1 hub-centric rings. High-quality spacers won't negatively affect your car. When the wheel offsets are not ideal for your car design, the 4 ring spacers will be helpful. They will move your wheels outward from the corresponding vehicle hub, hence reducing the offset. In this case, the outlaw ring spacers are the most cost-effective solution to prevent tires from hitting any other suspension component. As the tires are more evenly loaded, you will experience a faster acceleration response when coming out of a corner. Quality aluminum 4 ring spacers are safe and useful. They are lightweight, meanwhile strong, effortless to withstand heat and process, and are generally more attractive than steel spacers. Due to the material project, the aluminum alloys are good in corrosion resistance and rust-proof. Therefore, aluminum alloy ring spacers are resistant to rust and corrosion, unlike their steel counterparts. In summary, aluminum 4 ring spacers are a good option for a balance of performance, costs, aesthetics, and gas mileage. BONOSS active cooling 4 alloy ring spacers are finished with a textured surface on the sides. Learning can enhance the aesthetics of the spacers by introducing an attractive pattern to the side surface. In addition to aesthetics, there are practical features. Learning patterns can enlarge the side area so that it can contain more air, boost the heat dissipation effect, and also reduce internal stress. That means improving the performance, strength, and durability of the BONOSS active cooling 4 ring spacers. Since your wheels don't change too much, 4 ring spacers shouldn't hurt your vehicle. Wheel spacers are components that contact wheel and vehicle hub directly, so strength is extremely important. Buying from reputable suppliers will be much safer. Spacer suppliers provide quality tire spacers and service to customers. They play an important role at every stage of the ring spacers.